data, but without department, HR can't assign the roles to the employees. Now see, a company has got various departments depending upon the operations they are involved in. Now what we have done, we have created some departments, and let us look forward to make use of those departments. So it is human resource, marketing, operations, finance, supply chain management, distribution channel management, purchase, sales, public relations. So these are some of the you can say departments which have to be assigned. I believe you can easily do it by using the previous formula. Yes, we have used choose. Let us check it out. Is equals to choose bracket open rand between 1 to 9, and these are the values. So let us select them. Once we select them, what should be the outcome? Expected outcome, dear. The expected outcome should be something from the departments. Let us see. Oh, so this has given an error because it needs the values to be mentioned. So guys, apart from choose, let us look forward to another formula which makes sense under this situation, and this is called index. The formula is index. Now in index we are going to select all these values, and this particular value is going to provide you again to choose from, and you can choose. And how can you can choose? Now you have to use rand between. Rand between how many values? 1 to 9. There are 9 departments, that's why 9. Okay, so you can choose that. Let us see. Let me enter, keeping the finger crossed here. Let me see whether the outcome will come or not. Yes, the outcome is there. Great. So if I drop it down, does it work? Now see, we have seen somewhere there is 0, somewhere there is some value. Why it is not working? It is not working because you haven't mentioned the cell reference in a proper manner. Just see, this is the cell reference I2 to I10, and when I drag it down, it will become, let me see, when I drag it down and I go through it, it become I3 to I11. Many a times I11 is blank. And why it is doing so? Why it is doing so? Dear, it is doing so because these cells are being taken into relative referencing. But I want absolute reference, means these have to be fixed for the entire working order. So again press F2, select this range I2 to I10, and you have to press F4, and just by pressing F4 you will find dollars has been introduced in front of it. Now you can use this either above or even to down to all the values, and you see that the entire departments are covered. The entire departments are covered, I repeat. So I can say department assigned, because this is something which is used, so you can fix it there. Still it will work, and you will find these are the values. So I want these values to be copied and made static. So what is the magic formula, magic keywords? Control Shift down arrow key, Control C. Okay, again come back, come here, go to paste, paste special, and these are the assigned departments here. I believe that makes sense to all of you. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you in the next part.